Show you how to make Mexican rice. I got taught by my mom how to make Mexican rice since I didn't know. I only knew white rice. Like it was easy to just cook the white rice, but this one is Mexican rice and I really love it, and I'll show you what kind of ingredients. It's simple, it's easy, and I mean it's easy. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I got a little setup and this is the ingredients I use. You just rice, any kind of rice. I did use this one. There's so many kind of rice you can use. I just like this one, but this is the one I used, and I poured it on the container since I don't like having it in bags. I use containers as well as cereal. But anyways, I use this kind of oil. You can use any oil you like. I just grabbed that one, but there's a lot of oils you can use. And to make the rice taste really good and to make it orange or yellowish, the color is called caldo de tomate. And this one you can get it in any grocery store. I got it in Walmart. It's around like one something or two, I'm not sure. But since I use this a lot for like meats or anything that gives like flavor, I got the big pack. The big pack comes with 24 cubes and they look like this. And the inside looks like this. The color is like orange reddish, and that makes the rice look that color. A lot of people have told me on my Facebook probably how I make my Mexican rice, and this is how I do it. But these are the cubes. I use 2 of these cubes and pour it on the rice. After you heat the rice on medium, just so it can look a little brown, you put it in a pan. Put oil, the oil first, and then the rice, and let it brown a little bit, not so dark because then you're gonna burn your rice. And just when you see like a medium brown on the rice on your pan, then you're gonna pour water. You actually pour 2 cups of water, but if it needs more water, you have to know if it's right time or not. I just pour water because I have to see how it looks, but this is how it's looking, and it's actually gonna look good whenever it's done. Right now it's just boiling, and it looks rice, it looks puffy, but once you pour the water goes up and it covers the whole rice, and you let it boil. And I put it in medium, so I have that in medium, and that's how it looks when it's medium. But when you're like want to have time or make it perfect, you put it on low so it can cook like better. But anyways, it does still looks better even if it's medium. But this is how it looks. And when it's done, the rice the water has to completely go away, and that's when your rice looks done. You don't want the rice to stick in your pan, because if not, that means you're gonna let your rice burn. And this is how I do it. And you just fill the water all the way on top for to cover the rice. Let it boil, and you just look at it whenever you see, okay, it needs more water, since the rice is like white and it's hard, so you don't want that hard on the rice. I'll show you the finish touches and how it looks like it should be. Right now it looks water, and I'll show you all when there's no water. So this is how this is. Makes the flavor, and also you can use it for meats, and also gives the flavor. So stay tuned. Well guys, this is the finished final touch. This is how it looks like when the water is gone. It looks delicious, and I will show you how you know when you put the rice on the side a little bit, there's no water under. Like you seen earlier, there was water everywhere and boiling. There's no water under, and this is how it looks like after all the water's done. It looks delicious, and the color, and it's fluffy, and it's ready for dinner. But this is how it looks like. Well guys, I hope y'all like this video, how to make a Mexican rice. I know there's a lot of ways to make Mexican rice, but this is how I do it, and I wanted to share with y'all. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe, and also click that notification button on so you won't miss the fun. Well, until next time, this is Liz Vlogs. Adios.